After riding the elevator, we come to the entrance of this second floor terrace unit, featuring a great room plan plus a terrace overlooking the golf course. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit has a guest bedroom, and a guest bathroom. The laundry area is located in the guest bathroom to reduce noise in the rest of the unit. Here we have the master bedroom with a window overlooking the course. We have dual sinks in the master bathroom and a linen closet. Double walk-in closets. This is a unique feature in condo units. In the kitchen we have gray quartz solid surface countertops, all new stainless steel appliances, built-in over-the-range microwave, a glass cooktop stove. The kitchen features a pantry closet and an eat-in kitchen with a formal dining room in the living area. If you want to see more content about Naples real estate, remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell for more videos.